Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. If you're like me, you're wanting to stock up on laundry cleaning supplies to replenish your stockpile for super cheap. So I've put together these awesome and super easy laundry supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, August 26th at Dollar General. But before I get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 couponing deal videos every day of the week, and I have packed these deal videos with some amazing, awesome savings for you, and I don't want you to miss it, so make sure you subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up like button. It makes a huge difference for my YouTube channel, and it is greatly appreciated. It's an awesome way to support my work. For tonight's question, I have a super special question for you. I want you to leave me a comment down below and let me know, do you think I should do one of my couponing After Dark live chats this week? Let me know down below in the comments. I really miss doing them. I haven't done one in a couple months now, so I want to know if you guys are interested, because if you are, I'm totally going to do one. And make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon and save money, so I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my new couponing planner book, it has 100 couponing planner pages that will make planning your couponing deals significantly easier. I'm super excited. I finally got it published over on Amazon. I'm super proud of it. So if you're interested, make sure you check out the comments down below. I'll also have a link in the video description. So let's get started with these deals. Now, starting right out of the gate, we're going to work on a fabulous Tide Pods couponing deal. Grab one of these big bags of the Tide Power Pods, one of the smaller bags of Tide Pods, a small bag of Gain Flings, and one of the medium-sized bottles of Gain Fireworks. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.45 plus tax. That's an easy 55% off savings. Just think about how many loads of laundry you're going to be able to get done with all these laundry pods. If you want to do a Gain deal, but you don't want to commit to the full $30, this is a great substitute. Stocks up on some great products for super cheap. So grab one of the $6.95 bottles of Downy Rinse and Refresh, one of those 105 count boxes of Gain dryer sheets. I'm going to be so sad when this coupon expires. It's such an awesome coupon. Grab one of the medium-sized bottles of Gain Fireworks and one of the small bottles of Gain Fabric Softener. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.95 plus tax for a 55% off savings. If you are in need to stock up for Dreft laundry detergent, 1, you know how expensive this stuff is, and 2, you know how rare it is for us to get coupons for it. But thankfully, this week we have an awesome $3 off Dreft laundry detergent coupon. So we're going to work it in this deal and really stock up for super cheap. So grab one of the smaller size bottles of Lysol laundry sanitizer, one of my favorite laundry cleaning products that Dollar General sells. 1 bottle of Dreft laundry detergent, 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener, and one of the single count packs of Febreze small spaces. Now you can also substitute this for one of the single cans of Febreze Air Effects too, but to make it easier, I just stuck with the Febreze small spaces for this deal. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13 even plus tax for a super awesome and easy 50% off savings. Now, if you've been following my YouTube channel for a while, you know one of my other favorite laundry cleaning supplies is this True Living Oxy multi-purpose cleaner. I got it on accident about a year or so ago when I went to Dollar General. I was looking for OxiClean and they were sold out of it, and I needed it for, ironically, to clean the tennis shoes at my house. They were all crazy nasty. And all I could find was this True Living Oxy Cleaner. So I'm like, okay, I'll go with it. It's significantly cheaper than the name brand product. And it worked just as good, no joke. It's an awesome product. I've been out for a while, so I'm probably going to do this deal so I can stock up. So starting out, get 2 tubs of the True Living Oxy Cleaners, 1 bag of the Tide Power Pods, 1 can of Febreze Air Effects, and one of the 105 count boxes of Gain dryer sheets. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $16.20 plus tax, a 42% off savings. Now, I know this is a little bit higher of an out of pocket, but remember, $10 of this deal is the True Living Oxy Cleaner, and we didn't even have coupons for them, so it's not bad. Yeah, you're going to see a lot of Tide deals in today's deal video because I'm a big believer in when we have awesome coupons, they come and go in phases, and we got to take advantage and stock up while we can. Because these awesome Tide coupons, I'm telling you, they're rare. It's especially rare that we've gotten them so many weeks in a row. It's definitely going to stop eventually, so we got to stock up while we can. So for this deal, grab 1 bag of Tide Pods, 1 medium-sized bottle of Gain Fireworks, a bottle of Gain Fabric Softener, and 1 of the small bags of Gain Flings. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.45 plus tax, for a 53% off savings. Now, I just realized I haven't given you guys an update on the dryer saga. After almost a full week, actually it was closer to 2 weeks, of not being able to do laundry, and the business in question, that I will not say their name, delivering not only 1 dented dryer, but a second dented dryer, we are finally back up and running, and I have finally caught up on my many loads of laundry, so I'm super excited. So I apologize for not giving you an update. So for this next deal, we're going to stock up on some non-toxic laundry cleaning supplies because I get this question a lot. A lot of people assume that Dollar General doesn't have a whole lot of the non-toxic laundry cleaning supplies, which is not true. This not True Living, Clover Valley brand of the white vinegar. It's an awesome substitute if you've never tried it for fabric softener. I use it in almost every load of laundry and it works amazing. And no, it does not smell like white vinegar after you're done with your laundry, I promise. So for this deal, grab 2 of the 128-ounce size bottles of white vinegar, 1 small bottle of Gain laundry detergent, 1 pack of the Bic Soleil razors. Still hands down one of my favorite coupons this week because it's such a high value coupon. It's great for working into deals like this where we don't have coupons for some of the products. It lowers our out of pocket, right? And then grab 1 of the medium-sized bottles of Gain Fireworks. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12 even plus tax, a 53% off savings. Now, like the other deal that I did just a little bit ago, this is an awesome deal when you consider $7 of this deal didn't even have coupons. So moving on, we have a great deal to stock up on the Shout Stain Remover. We used to get coupons for it every once in a while. We haven't gotten one in a long time. So first off, I'd like to put it out into the couponing universe that we would really appreciate some Shout coupons. I believe in that. So for this deal, grab 2 bottles of the Shout Stain Remover, 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Freak sprays. You know I absolutely love this coupon and this product. Grab 1 small bag of Tide Pods and 1 of the single count packs of Febreze Small Spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $15.75 plus tax for a 44% off savings. These products are going to last you a while. You're going to be able to get a lot of laundry cleaning done. Which got me thinking, has anyone tried using the Clean Freak spray as a stain removal? If you have, let me know, because honestly, I've never thought about it until this very moment. I can imagine it would be great. So if you have any information, let me know, because I am definitely interested. I've had a couple people recently reach out to me and say that they're getting rather low in their stockpile for dryer sheets. We didn't get coupons for them for a while, so of course we're going to run low. But we got several really good coupons this week. So starting off, grab 1 of the 200 count boxes of Gain dryer sheets, 1 of the 105 count boxes of Gain dryer sheets, 1 bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh for $6.95, and finally 1 of the 240 count boxes of Bounce dryer sheets. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.40 plus tax for a 50% off savings. Again, a little bit higher of an out of pocket, but that is an awesome amount of dryer sheets. These are going to last you a long time. Here's another really awesome non-toxic laundry cleaning supplies deal. Grab 2 of those 128-ounce size bottles of white vinegar, 4 of the 16-ounce size bottles of hydrogen peroxide. I use these for stain removal in laundry all the time. I even used it to stain treat my mattress. This stuff is awesome. Grab 1 of the $6.95 bottles of Downy Rinse and Refresh, 1 pack of Bic Soleil razors, and finally 1 tub of Lysol disinfecting wipes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.60 plus tax for an easy 48% off savings. Not bad. Now, if you're needing to stock up on liquid laundry detergent, this is an awesome deal for you to do. Super, super beginner friendly. Not a lot of pieces to it, so it's easy to remember by the time you get to the store. So grab one of the medium-sized bottles of Gain liquid laundry detergent for $7.50, one bottle of Tide detergent, one bottle of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, and finally, one bottle of the Finish Jet Dry Cleaner. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.40 plus tax for a 49% off savings. Now, if you're looking for even more Dollar General coupon deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, my Patreon page is where I post my complete couponing deals list from week to week. And I believe this week's deals list, no joke, has 120 couponing deals. Yeah, you heard that right. 120 couponing deals. Now, this deals list has all the major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking cleaning supplies, Gain, of course, laundry supplies, toilet paper, paper towels, personal care products, even diapers, and a cheap out-of-pocket deals list is included with this deals list. Now, it's an easy-to-download PDF file. You can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want because I keep them all separated. And it makes going to the store super, super easy. It's an awesome way to level up your couponing. I've done all the work for you. All you got to do is pick whatever deal you want, go to the store, find the products, clip your coupons, and you are good to go. So if you're interested, make sure you check out the comments down below. I'll also have the information in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's deal video. I had a lot of fun with this one. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know I love me some laundry cleaning supplies deals. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel some love, and we'd love to have you here as part of our LoveLiveSave couponing community. And while you're at it, click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button. Man, it's a tongue twister. And turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 deal videos every day of the week, or I do one of my Couponing After Dark live chats, you'll receive a notification. You'll be one of the first people to know, and you won't miss out. And I'll see you in the next video.